In this video, I'll show you how to create an automatic table of contents in Microsoft Word. This type of table of contents updates itself automatically and is ideal for assignments, reports, research papers, and books. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Now, select the main title of your first section. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Styles group, click on Heading 1. This tells Word that this text is a main section heading. Next, select the title of a subsection under that main heading. Again, go to the Styles group and click Heading 2. If you have smaller subsections under that, select the text and apply Heading 3. Repeat this process for the entire document. Word uses these heading levels to automatically build the structure of the table of contents, so applying them correctly is very important. Once all headings are applied, move your cursor to the place where you want the table of contents to appear. Usually, this is at the beginning of the document. Now go to the References tab. Click on Table of Contents. From the list, choose Automatic Table 1 or Automatic Table 2. Word instantly creates a table of contents using the headings you applied earlier. Enter many time to make the text appear on the other page. If you later add more content or change page numbers, you do not need to recreate the table of contents. Simply click anywhere inside the table of contents. Click Update Table at the top. Choose Update Page Numbers only if the text is the same. Or choose Update Entire Table if headings were added or changed. Now your table of contents stays accurate automatically even after editing your document. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials.